Hey everybody, Doug Rucker here with Pressure Cleaning School and Doug Rucker Store, coming to you today with some fabulous Father's Day gift ideas. That's right, Father's Day gift ideas. Hey, just want to let you know, make a little video here for you to share with your wife, share with your kids. Father's Day is coming up. And so we've got the guns that you need. We've got the soft wash guns. We've got your X-Jet nozzles, surface cleaners. This little HPC surface cleaner, I think it's about $325, $350, something like that. That is an excellent Father's Day gift idea. So share that with your wife, share that with your kids. Don't forget the gutter clean out tool, the gutter tool. We've got our dugout, we got our King's Clean, Dougie Fresh, Wrap, all the F9 products, all the hose that you can use. So hey, just want to kind of give you a little idea, maybe something to share around with friends, family, whoever you need to. And get that Father's Day taken care of with some Father's Day gift ideas from the DougRuckerStore.com. So if we can help you in any way, just send us an email, DougRuckerStore@gmail.com. We'd be glad to help you. So hope everybody has a great Father's Day coming up this weekend. I know I'm going to spend some time with Emma Grace before she heads off to college. So, yeah, I'm supposed to say I'm looking forward to that, but I'm not really. I'm going to miss her. But anyway, hope everybody has a great day. Everybody has a great week. And happy Father's Day to all the dads out there.